What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today it's going to be a little bit different. This video is for the ladies, so guys, if you don't want to stick around, I understand. You can go ahead and click off, but I'm going to be showing you how to track your cycle in Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So what you need to do is go ahead and go to your cycle tracking app in Apple Watch, and let's select it. Okay, so it says open the health app on your iPhone to set up cycle tracking. Tracking your menstrual cycle can help you understand your overall health. So let's go ahead and go to iPhone, and let's go ahead and go to the health app. So I'm going to turn the brightness down just a tad bit. It's a little too bright. Okay. All right, so health app is right here. So let's go ahead and open that up. All right, welcome to the new health app. Summary, see highlights for your data, articles, app suggestions, and alerts. Highlights, get a better understanding of your data and how it's changing. Cycle tracking, you can now track your menstrual cycles and get a prediction of your next period. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm select next. All right, okay, so set up health information. Your health profile is the basic information the app needs to provide you relevant information. Okay, so basically they're just asking us to put in our first name, last name, date of birth, sex, height, and weight. So once you do that, go ahead and select done at the bottom. Okay, so let's see, it has a summary. I'm just going to go ahead and select browse down here in the bottom right. And when I do that, it automatically brings me to the health categories, and I'm going to go ahead and select cycle tracking. Okay, set up cycle tracking. Tracking your menstrual cycle can help you understand your overall health. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, welcome to cycle tracking. Period and fertility predictions. By logging your cycles, health can predict your next period and fertile window. Okay, so cycle timeline. Information you provide is shown on a timeline you can explore and discuss with your doctor. Cycle log. You can quickly enter information such as your period or symptoms. And Apple Watch, you can log and see predictions on your wrist. So let's go ahead and select next. Okay, so when did your last period start? I actually started today. So my last one would be September, around the same time, I think. I guess we'll just put that and select next. How long does your period usually last? I would say about 5 to 6 days. Let's go with 6 days. It used to be 8. Thank God I've gotten older and it's not as much. Okay, period length is measured from the first to last day of bleeding. Okay, so we'll just say 5. And select next at the bottom. Okay, how long is your typical cycle? Let's see. Your cycle starts on the first day of your period and ends the day before your next period. So estimating your cycle length helps enable period predictions. I have no idea. We'll just leave it at 28 days. Okay. So period predictions and notifications. Let's see. Okay, so this allows health to use the data you enter to predict your period. Okay, so that's period prediction. Period notifications. Health will notify you about upcoming periods and send prompts to log. Notifications are sent at 8 p.m. Okay, so let's go ahead and just select through this next. Okay, fertility predictions and log options. Fertility window, log fertility, log sexual activity. I'll do that later. Let's go ahead and select next. And cycle timeline. Okay, so Monday, January 1st. Okay, so it says logged period. Solid red represents days you've logged your period. Okay, so next. Okay, logged information. Next. And period prediction. Okay, so I'm done. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right to it. Cycle log. Let's go ahead and select period. Okay, so my flow is usually medium. It's not really low and it's not really heavy. So we'll go with that, and it automatically selects had flow. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's go ahead. It says 1 of 3, so let's swipe to the right or to the left and see. Okay, so symptoms. I definitely do get abdominal cramps, so I'm going to select that. Appetite changes, not that I know of. Acne. It depends. Sometimes I'm confused on whether it's from what I'm eating or my period, so I don't even really know. But I do get the occasional bloating and the breast tenderness. Oh God. Okay, so, but yeah, I think that's pretty much it out of the symptoms. And then let's go ahead and swipe left again. Had spotting. No, I don't get spotting. Okay. Yeah, guys, it looks like it's it. So let's go ahead and select done. And okay, so now my cycle log, it looks like it has been set up. And let's see. So period predictions. Your period is likely to start on or around November 24th. Okay, so I can look out for that now. And current cycle started, okay, October 26th, one day. Yes. Okay. Wow, okay. So this app is really good. I totally recommend it for all the women out there, especially if you have an Apple Watch. I wouldn't necessarily say get an Apple Watch for this reason, but if you already have one, I definitely think that you should take advantage of the cycle tracking app. Okay, so now that we've done it on the iPhone and set everything up, let's see how it looks in the Apple Watch. So let's go back to cycle tracking. And okay, so this is how it shows, a much smaller view of what's over here. But you literally get to see the same things you see on this side. So that's really cool, guys. Yeah, definitely recommend this for all the women out there who, you know, sometimes forget when they started, when they ended, and just really need help keeping track. I'm definitely going to use this, and I recommend that you do too if you don't already have something that you use. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy tracking!